How to tag people on Instagram post. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily tag people on your Instagram post. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're inside here, as you can see, there is a plus icon at the bottom, so just tap on it to create any post. So let me just upload this post over here. So to tag a people, what I can do is I can do this later after posting it, or I can just tap on this next button over here, and here you will get the option to tag people directly. So you can just click on add tag and just search in for the people just like this, and just search in for that particular page and click on it, and then you just have to click on this tab button and you can just enter your caption over here and then just upload your post. So that is exactly how you can easily tag the people on your post. So as you can see, and you can view it later like this by simply tapping on this person icon over here. You can do the same for reels as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.